Hello everyone, I'm Surbi and this is my first video. So welcome you all to my channel. Are you tired of trying to wake up early in the morning? Are you someone who hit the snooze button almost every day? Are you the snooze button champion? If the answer is yes, you must watch this video till the end. So it's 7 a.m. in the morning and your first alarm goes off. But you were sleeping peacefully in your bed. So you decide it's not the time to wake up just yet. So you get up, pick up your alarm, hit the snooze button and go back to sleep. But then your second alarm goes off. You're still not sure if you want to wake up or not. So you pick up your phone, hit the snooze button again and try to go back to your sleep. You try to go back to your dreamland. But then your third alarm goes off. Now you really have to wake up. So you leave your bed all annoyed and irritated finally after 3 alarms. But why do we even do this? Why have we made hitting the snooze button part of our morning wake up routine? The answer to this question is very simple. Because we think by giving ourselves those extra minutes to sleep, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, we are helping ourselves to get some extra energy, which is absolutely wrong. Let's go back and try to understand what did we lose between the first and the third alarm. Yeah, you must be thinking time. Yeah, we did lose our time, but along with time, we have lost a lot more. Researchers and sleep experts have made it clear that short periods of sleep that we get in between doesn't help us in getting the restorative sleep we need. It affects our whole day and makes us feel tired throughout. We'll be annoyed and irritated during the day till we go back to bed again, and it's a vicious cycle that never ends. By hitting the snooze button again and again, we are disrupting the REM sleep or the dream sleep which we get during the latter part of our sleep cycle. It is high time that we look into our sleeping habits and stop hitting the snooze button, because we have to realize that it's doing more damage to us than what we actually think. So, what's the solution? There are various things that you can try in order to solve this problem. The first and the foremost thing to do is to keep only one alarm. There should be no backups. You have to induce that fear in your mind that there is only one alarm and you have to wake up to that. There is no other option. The solution is literally in your hands, yes, your mobile phones. There are an n number of apps which will help you accomplish your goals to say bye to the habit of snoozing your alarm. There are apps which will give you math problems in the morning. These apps will make sure that your mind is awake. The alarm will only go off once you give correct answers to all the math problems given. The chances of you going back to your sleep will be very less after solving these, but not everyone will like solving math problems in the morning, like me. So for those people, there are apps which will allow you to feed a barcode of a product in them, and the alarm will only go off once you scan that product. Make sure the product is far away so that you have to walk up to it, and during the process you lose your sleep. The third option is very simple and obvious. Giving yourself 7 to 8 hours of sleep a day and sleeping on time. Your biological clock will wake you up without any kind of alarm, and trust me, waking up without alarm is the best feeling in the world. So you have to decide, you have to change. Be a hero. Stop snoozing your alarm. Don't snooze, don't lose. Try these things tonight itself. The links of all the apps mentioned in the video is given in the description below. I hope you liked my first video. For more such videos related to our daily lives, please subscribe. Thank you.